Do-it-yourself video versus hiring a pro. Did you hire a pro or decided to do your video by yourself? And why do it yourself? The first reason for doing your video yourself is often for budgetary reasons. Nothing is wrong with that. A lot can be done by yourself in your business, and you should actually experience how to create a video from beginning to end at least once. I see a lot of advantages of doing your video by yourself, editing it and posting it online. Your understanding of concept, angle, marketing will get better. Technology is moving really fast, and you can use your cell phone to do collage of video and edit. There are also apps that are using AI now to do that. That will help you save money. The big con I see with doing a video by yourself because of budget is by trying to save money, many times you often will lose money. So yes, you can save money on production by doing it yourself. Professional production costs more. But if your production is not done properly, you will lose money on sales and pay more for advertising. You can do a DIY video that look really professional, and likewise you can do a professional video that really need to be refined. So let's go through some basic audio, image quality and content. Not every video goes viral, so it is important to have this element in place to increase your views. If your image is an okay quality but the audio is good, you can get away with poor image quality, but the video won't look professional. If you have poor audio and good visual, it will be harder for your audience to watch it. If your content is great, but the audio is not good, your fan will go with it once or twice, but the viewers who stumble on it won't stick through it. Now, there's a lot of equipment available you can use to go the do-it-yourself route. Gimbal and wireless microphone for cell phone, and the filters, tripod, and more. Just letting you know, this video is brought to you by BDH Collective, a collective of freelancers who provide all the creative, technical, and administrative resources you need for your creative project. If your project is in media, multimedia, advertisement, design, art, or fashion, this is the agency for you. You can check them out at bdhcollective.com. Now, let's get back to the video. If you're someone who values your time, the cost of production are still high with a cell phone or semi-professional camera, even professional camera. So a gimbal for a cell phone could cost between $100 to $400 if you get it used. A wireless audio system for a cell phone is maybe between $200 and $300 now, and the cell phone itself is between $900 and $1,500. If you got a cell phone for free but paying a $100 month payment plan, the equivalent of over 3 years, $3,600, this is still a lot. When you combine the cost of all that and the learning curve to know how to use everything, the price is really high. When it comes time to edit multiple videos on a cell phone, it is just not a viable option. You have to either transfer everything on your laptop or computer. I've seen people struggle for hours to try to edit a video on their cell phone. One of the multiple disadvantage is that, first of all, the screen is tiny, and most of the free program will not support multiple audio track or video track. So in this case, you have multiple alternatives. One, assuming that you already have a great cell phone, a small budget, and you have the time to learn, I think do-it-yourself is a good option without spending a lot of money. The small budget would be for lighting, accessories, and all the other stuff. If you're not someone who would like to learn new stuff and you cannot put together a shoot, edit, and record, you should maybe try to go with the hiring someone to do a video for you. The time that you will save by hiring someone compensate for the time it's going to take you to try to do it yourself. I'm still learning tips and tricks to edit faster, even if I've been doing video for years now. I still do a lot of things to save money by myself. Finding the balance between hiring and doing it yourself is a must. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and share. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.